Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
The Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Thursday, the 9th of November. I'm James Spann. Some of you in Alabama with sunshine, some of you with clouds, but all of the clouds kick out tonight. Weather stays pretty quiet through the weekend. Maybe some strong storms out there at the end of next week. Let's go in there and check things out. Always interesting this time of the year. That's a water vapor satellite view. Cold trough over Canada, the eastern part of Canada. That short wave that brought the rain last night, the axis is now east of the state. And there's your clearing line. That was at about, 2:15 or so this afternoon. The clearing line roughly along Interstate 59. And here's a GOES 16 look at that. And it's very sharp. North of that, the sun is shining brilliantly in places like Huntsville, Jasper, Fayette, Hamilton. South of that line, it's overcast and cool, and you can see the contrast. Where the sun is out, we have mid-60s up in Huntsville and Muscle Shoals, but in the cloud-cover, temperatures are only in the middle 50s for places like Alexander City, Montgomery, and Auburn. Pretty quiet day around the nation. That's the watch warning map. We note some freeze watches and warnings in effect for parts of Maryland, the District of Columbia, Virginia, North Carolina. Obviously, in a cool, stable air mass over much of the country. Thunderstorms not an issue later today and tonight. This is the rain for the next 7 days, and really not much. This is valid through Thursday of next week. There's a chance we might get away with hardly anything at all. Got a couple of weak frontal passages Sunday night and maybe Wednesday night, but both of those seem to be starved for moisture. And the tropics, Rena, is now post-tropical up in the cold waters of the North Atlantic. Otherwise, things are quiet. So let's dive in. Here we go, model fans. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock, troughing over the northeastern United States. Going to be cold up there. A zonal flow here and a beautiful fall day. Sunny with a high between 60 and 65. A little below average for this time of the year. We start the day around 40. Saturday, we'll probably see a bit of scattered frost in pockets Saturday morning with mid to upper 30s. The high Saturday should be in the middle 60s. The sky will be sunny, a great day for football or anything else you want to do. Maybe catch the fall colors because this will be your last really good weekend to see them here. Sunday, a front is approaching from the north, but there's just not much moisture, and I just don't think it rains in most places. We'll mention isolated showers Sunday evening, and that's about it. Sunday's high, low to mid-60s, and then Monday, a reinforcing surge of dry air. Lows in the 40s, highs in the 60s. Same thing on Tuesday. Wednesday, another weak front approaching from the north. And again, you might mention isolated showers Wednesday evening with that, but most likely everybody will stay dry. And here's a week from today, Thursday the 16th of November. Big trough digging down across the northwest and the northern plain states. And down below that, it's cold and snowy back in the northern mountains. We are dry, but we will be watching at the end of next week. This is Friday evening, November 17th, suggesting maybe a band of showers and storms blowing through here. There's going to be some instability with that. The surface lows are pretty far north. That doesn't look like a classic tornado setup, but again, it's early. It's still 8 days out, just something to watch. And then, look at this. This is Sunday the 19th, a very, very cold look for the eastern part of the country on the European, if this verifies. Down below that, the weather here will be cold and dry. We'll check the European. It's very consistent in the same idea. A very high amplitude pattern and a deep cold trough over the eastern U.S., and that could deliver the coldest air so far this season in about 8 to 10 days. We'll check the ensemble, and you're not going to see that really reflected too much at this point. It's got highs in the 50s and lows in the 30s out there toward the 21st, 22nd, and 23rd. Might even be colder than that. We'll see, but it sure looks pretty cold, that period right before Thanksgiving. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.